If you or a loved one starting to have some mobility issues and need an extra hand getting in and out of the shower or in and out of the bathtub, this may be just what you need. Rayu was nice enough to send this to me for free in exchange for making this video. But quite frankly, I'm in a situation right now where I needed it. I broke my fibula about a week ago, and so it's been an adjustment, to say the least, of just performing my everyday task without putting too much weight on this broken leg. And I'm going to demonstrate it, but right offhand, what struck me with this grab bar in particular is both the size of the bar itself and the size of these suction pads. So I'm a big guy. I need something big to grab onto, and I got to know that it's going to stick in place and be able to rely on it for sure. So these do stick really tight, but they're super easy to put on. There's no tools required. The main thing is you want to make sure that the surface you're going on is clean and dry whenever you stick it on. And that's going to just help you ensure that you get the maximum grip and that this thing stays stuck longer for you. So for me, I got one right here that I can help pull myself up on. I need one closer to the shower door, so I'm going to stick one right here. It's just going to be as easy as that. Stick it down firmly, and then you push and lock the lever. Now right here on the side, there's actually an indicator, and it's red when it's not locked in, and when it does lock in and it suctions itself to the wall, it's going to turn to green. So that's a good visual check if you're getting back into the shower a few days later or whatever, before you grab onto these. If you just want a little extra reassurance that, hey, this thing's still gripped firmly, take a look at that indicator. If it's green, you should be good. Now, they say with temperature changes and a shower going on and off that these could possibly loosen their grip after several days, but that's not been my experience. I've had them 3 days now, and I've not had one bit of issue with these even pretending to slip or lose any grip. The strength and the firmness of them, the fact that I, as a 260-pound man, can pull myself up no problem, without issue, and even put a side load on this one, pulling myself up and down, and it doesn't slip, doesn't slide, doesn't start to peel off, anything like that. That's a pretty amazing testament to the product they built here. I certainly didn't expect to need something like this at 39 years old, but here I am, and I'm sure glad there's stuff like this out there. One tip I would give you, again, is just make sure that surface is good and clean, but also get in here, and if it's you or a loved one, have them sit or stand or however they're going to be in the tub. Do that transfer a couple times and really determine where you want to put these. You can take them off and move them around, but those pads are big and they grip tight. And so if you're an elderly person or or you're not overly strong, getting it back off that wall is a little bit of a chore. You're going to pop the tab, and you got a little tab to pull on there, but like I said, that big pad forms a great section on there, so you'll get it, but it takes a little working to get it back off. Nonetheless, I'm super grateful that they sent me this product, and I'm very happy that I can tell you that I think it'll work great for any situation you're in or a loved one is in helping them get around easier without the risk of slipping and falling. Now, these